Hey, Curious Cubs! Have you ever wondered what's really inside a computer? Is it magic? Tiny people working hard? Robots typing super fast? Let's find out. And go inside a computer together. A computer is a smart machine that helps us do lots of things, like watching cartoons, playing games, doing homework, and even talking to Grandma on video calls. On the outside, we see a screen, a keyboard, and maybe a mouse. But inside? Ooh, that's where the real magic happens. Let's take a peek inside. Ta-da! First up, the CPU. That stands for Central Processing Unit. Think of it like the computer's brain. It helps the computer think, solve problems, and run your games and apps. Next is RAM. That's short for Random Access Memory. It's like the computer's short-term memory. RAM helps your computer remember what it's doing right now, like the game you're playing or the video you're watching. This is where all your pictures, music, videos, and games live. The storage. It's like the computer's big closet or toy chest. Computers can get hot from working hard. That's why they have tiny fans inside. They blow cool air to keep everything safe and happy. Every superhero needs energy, right? The power supply gives electricity to the whole computer. There are even more parts, like wires, lights, and circuits, all working together like a team. Kind of like your body with your brain, heart, and muscles all doing different jobs. Wow, a computer isn't magic. It's full of awesome parts working as a team. Next time you use your computer, you'll know exactly what's going on inside. Keep asking questions, Curious Cubs. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun learning.